Yeah, so this is an interesting story, and I've actually been telling this story to clients for about 15 years. It's an old story. We did a house about 15 years ago, big new development called the Bridgewater Club on the north side of Indianapolis, and it was a Pete Dye golf course, and they were building, multi-million-dollar homes, and the developer or the power company, when they came in for the developer and put the infrastructure in, they thought there was going to be like, $500,000-$600,000 houses, and people started building these big houses one after the next, and they didn't have the grid to support it. And they had like one transformer for every 6 houses, and they needed one for every 2 houses. And it was just a continuous nightmare of problems in this neighborhood. But we had one particular client, like their direct TV boxes constantly went out. They lost appliances, attic fans, wine refrigerators. It was like a nonstop, like every month something in the house was breaking. This was a new house, like all the appliances were new, all the technology was new. And we put some measuring tools in there to measure the power, and ultimately discovered that they were having massive voltage fluctuations. At the end of the day, we could put in voltage regulators, but that was just a Band-Aid. It didn't solve the power problem. It just was a Band-Aid. So we stopped losing our equipment, but they kept losing appliances and HVAC and all that.